Hey YouTube, my name is David Kovacs and this is my very first YouTube video. I just got this box in a mail and I have opened it with my Winkler Tomahawk. So if you guys into bushcrafting or knives in general, probably you have heard about Malanika. Actually, not many videos on YouTube about this guy or about his work, but you still can find some. Although I felt like I still need to do an unboxing video of the knives I got from him. I ordered these knives a while ago actually. It took a while, but hopefully worth it. I believe so. So I ordered two knives. One of them is the Buschrafter. I feel like this is the one. Yeah, these are the big boy. This is the big boy, the Buschrafter. And the small EDC knife. Let's roll it out. Yep. Here you go. The small one. And the big one. And hell, the sheet is amazing. So stiff. And yeah. This guy do custom orders. Everything is custom. So this knife is, or both of them are candy grind and CPM crewware with stabilized walnut handle. Jesus. Look pretty cool. I can't wait to try them on the field. And again, sorry about the unprofessionalism. This is my first video, okay? So if you guys like it, I'm probably gonna try to do more. If not, that's fine too. But I just want to share these knives because I feel like these are so cool and so amazing craftsmanship. What I saw before about the heat treatment is just can't beatable. And I know some guys, I know you guys, like, yeah, it's not American made. I try to get American made stuff for sure. Since you can see my Tomahawk and my OTF Microtech and Surefire and the whiskey and everything, but at the same time, if you cannot get the quality in some product what you are want, you have to just make some sacrifice. I'm waiting for the Bark River Aurora in CPM crewware with a Scandi guide for years, but it's just not available. So I made my choice, and since I heard about this guy, I felt like I need to give a try. And by look, this is an amazing knife. So if you guys like this video, give me a like, and then probably I can do some other videos how the knives perform in the field, or so. Have a good weekend, guys, and cheers.